What damages are recoverable in bike accident injury cases?
So I'll talk about the injury part. I mean, obviously there's property damage, your clothes can get damaged, your bike could get damaged. That's recoverable as well. And the most important usually is the personal injury. Well, personal injury damages are, for bike accident, you start out, they're the same as in any personal injury claim. They're your special and your general damages, your past and future medical expenses, your past and prospective income loss or diminished earning capacity, and your pain and suffering. That's all recoverable. Now, I can talk about all of those components in great detail, but I'm probably not going to do it in this video session. That'll be part of another video session. Now, you can recover all of those damages if somebody else is entirely responsible for causing the accident and causing your injuries. And those are two different things. Causing the accident means they were at fault for causing the accident. But just because they're at fault for causing the accident doesn't necessarily mean you're going to recover for all of your injuries that were caused in this accident. For example, even if there's no legal requirement that you wear a bicycle helmet, failure to wear one, if you have a traumatic brain injury or some kind of a head injury that could have been reduced or eliminated had you been wearing a helmet, there's going to be an argument that the other side's going to put up that even though it's not a legal requirement for you to be wearing a helmet, that if you're a reasonable and prudent person and careful for your own safety, you would have been wearing a helmet, and your failure to wear a helmet is what caused that head injury or brain injury. And then there's going to be an argument as to whether the driver who caused the accident is going to be 100% responsible for compensating you for the medical expenses and income loss and losses that you experience, forgetfulness, memory loss, headaches, drowsiness, difficulty sleeping, whatever it may be from that head injury, to the extent that it could have been prevented or reduced if you'd been wearing a helmet. There's just going to be an argument there. There's no law that says you have to be wearing a helmet unless you're a minor in California, but the defense is always going to argue that you should have been for your own safety and that they shouldn't have to fully compensate you for the injury to the extent that you could have avoided it by being more careful for yourself.